Hello, welcome to my Son de From. Today I'm gonna make some simple enchiladas, and I know it's 4th of July weekend, everybody's still celebrating, and I'm just gonna make these wonderful enchiladas. And the first thing I want to do is show you what ingredients they are. So I have tortillas. These are about 6 tortillas, just flour tortillas. And then I have paste enchilada sauce. I have nacho cheese sauce. And then I have this thick chili. It's chili con carne with beans. So I'm gonna warm these up in the microwave for 1 minute. I'm gonna get them out. And then put them on this plate right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I kind of just want to do like 5, so I'll keep 3 for later. And so I'll just wrap this like this, put it in for a minute in the microwave, and soften them a little bit. So the enchilada sauce goes on the bottom, and you just pour some on the bottom like that. And you can dip the tortillas in each one, so that way they get it's kind of like lasagna or a casserole. So here are the tortillas, and as you can see, they're malleable, and I'm just gonna fold each one in here, just like this. And then I'm gonna open this can right here. And I'm gonna fill each one. So go ahead and just stuff them. So you can save some for the top if you like that. If you like salsa, you can put some salsa in them too. And just continue filling them until they're like really full. And then we'll get to the cheese. And the cheese is pretty thick. Just gonna give it a little stir and then start spooning it in, just like that. I know people ask me sometimes about my childhood favorites, and I think like with spicy stuff, I think this would be like my childhood favorite. So then it should look like this, and you just get each one and fold them onto their seam. Your hands might get dirty, so you might want to right onto their seam. A little bit stubborn, that one. And just keep going until you're finished. So the last one, and just like that, you're finished. Then you just pour some salsa on the top. Here's the sauce, and you just pour it on the top. No particular way. Just make sure you get all the edges like that. And then you go back in with the chili. Let's get this spoon here. Go back in with the chili and just put a little sprinkle here and there. Just a little sprinkle here and there, and see, you're not wasteful. And then cheese. You want a good amount of cheese on your enchiladas. So you kind of want to cover the whole enchilada with cheese. So that looks good. Just not gonna waste it. Now you can put some salsa on it if you want. This is chunky salsa. You can just put a little bit of salsa on it. just a little bit. This is optional. I know a lot of you guys don't like salsa. So this is what I have so far, and it's going in just like this. Okay, we're back. So this is what it looks like now that it's out, and I'm just gonna grab a piece. So mine's a little messy, but here it is. You can see how yummy this looks. On the next My Son Different. See you guys again. Bye-bye.